What's up, Jooba people? So today we're learning Eyes Don't Lie by Tones and I. Simple song. A minor, G, F, and E. And the intro is just A minor and E. It's got a basic strumming pattern. Down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute. So down, up, mute, up, 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 down, up. And this song sounds a lot like Crazy. Down on crazy. Except the second chord is not a G, it's a C over G. I remember when we lost my man. Was something that special about that day. Okay, anyway, I'm going to show you how to play the song, the Eyes Don't Lie one, with the picking pattern. So you could do it. So if I replace my up strums with plucking these three strings out, and down strums with this one, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute. And I'm just smacking the strings with my thumb and with my hands, but my hand is coming onto the strings as if I'm going to pick immediately after, which I am. So many different ways you can play it. You could do the E as well, like a C7, but at this 5th fret. Sounds really nice. And the F you could also do like a C over G at the 6th fret. So much you can do with this song. This was just a quick lesson. Yeah. Have a nice day, guys. If you want private lessons with me, a little bit more structured, way more structured, and way more, in depth into each little chord and picking patterns and things, go to joobamusic.com. Cheers. Have a nice day. Bye.